What are you filming? You're filming me?
Yeah.
I'm actually putting a DIY hair color because I have a lot of white hair. So Ate will color my hair black. So it will not turn to black. Okay? So I'm using
Hindi ko maglalagay kayo, hindi pa gano'n. Nakita ko naman nakagano'n. Sahod ang ihin ng daga.
this is
Dapat nakasahod na gano'n.
black hair color.
Sinabong ko ulit.
This
Sahod
is
ang ihin ng
just
daga.
a cheap one.
Lagi may pumapasok na daga dito.
You can feel my hair. So
Kaya
you can
yan naman yung
check.
takip.
Guilty ba?
Maliliptospirosis tayo yan eh.
Isa tayo. Okay.
Nakatihaya ang takip. Isasahuri yung ihin ng
Because
daga.
ate know how to color hair. Ate